Ottoman Empire asosiy imperiya haqida nima bilasizlar? Osmon sulolasi haqida nima bilasizlar? Osmoniylar haqida. Hop, o'sha bekarga aytib qo'ygansiz. Have you watched Magnificent Century? Yes. Have you watched? You know only Khurram Sultan, right? Yeah.
Oh my God!
Khurram Sultan. Oh my gosh. Okay, Master hozir I will distribute your handout. You will work with pairs and do some exercise. I have some exercises.
Oh my God,
Do you know how many years they ruled? I need it. I need to pass the exam. Okay? Do you have a problem? Qancha yil davomida hop, qancha yillar buyon Osmoniylar sulolasi yashab kelgan? Kim biladi? How many years Ottoman Empire has ruled the empire? 600 years, 620 years, Ottoman Empire existed. 620 yil Osmon sulolasi yashab kelgan. Iltimos, eshitinglar. Okay. Ottoman Empire, they have conquered the country. Which country they conquered? Which empire they have defeated? Osmoniylar sulolasi qaysi davlatni bosib olgan? 1453-yili qaysi davlatni bosib olgan? Mana sizlarga clue degani podskazka degani sizlarga.
Yevropa va Osiyo.
Europe, Asia and Africa. Ya'ni Yevropa, Osiyo va Afrika. Eshitibsizlarmi?
41.
Iltimos eshitinglar. Ruler, Sultan atalgan yoki Caliph. Ruler was named as Sultan or Caliph. Caliph qayerdan kim chiqqan? Kim biladi Caliph degan so'z qayerdan chiqqan? Qayerdan kelib chiqqan?
Turkiyada.
Arab sulolasidan kelib chiqqan. Elite troops, Janissaries. Janissaries kim bo'lgan? Who were Janissaries? Guys, who were Janissaries? Who knows? Who were Janissaries? No answer? Okay, they were Ottoman army. Janissaries were taken as young boys, young slaves, in order to serve for Ottoman Empire. Yani Janissaries bular qullardan, yosh bolalardan, har xil davlatlardan, Yevropalardan misol uchun Janissariesga to'plab olingan. Чтобы ularga serve qilish uchun, ularga xizmat qilish uchun, ularni armiya sohasiga kirish uchun. Allowed Christians, Jews self-rule. Ya'ni xristianlar va boshqa diniy yosh bolalar, qullar Janissaries bo'lishgan. Empire linking east and west for 600 plus years. Iltimos, eshitib o'tiringlar. Ya'ni 600 yil mobaynida ular yashab kelgan. Mana key vocabulary sizlarga. Mana sultan degani Ottoman Empire supreme ruler with absolute military and government power. Ya'ni sultan bu bular qurollari. Ya'ni bular постоянно they have changed their sultans from generation to generation. Ya'ni sultan har anaqa almashgan. Har bir generation avlod. Har bir avlod davomida almashib kelgan. Ya'ni qurol haqida gapirgan. Ya'ni sultonlar qanaqa sulton bo'lishgan? They have sultanas as well.
Sultonni o'g'li bo'lib sulton bo'lishgan. Sultonni o'g'li bo'lib sulton bo'lishgan.
Sultonni o'g'li bo'lish uchun sulton bo'lib tug'ilish kerak. And one fact that if one son if one son wants to get a throne, they need to kill their brother. They had a rule to kill their brothers from another woman. Ya'ni agar bitta o'g'il sulton bo'lmoqchi bo'lganida, ular o'zini aka-ukalarini o'ldirishi shart bo'lgan, ya'ni rule bo'lgan. Janissars every culture recruited via their system. Ya'ni boyaga aytganimdek, Janissars bu armiya to'plashgan yosh bolalar va qullar Janissar armiyasi bu to'platilgan. Millet system, a system where religious groups govern themselves. Ya'ni bunda dinga aloqador sistema bo'lgan. Dindiy insonlar o'zi bilan bir-biri bilan sabraniya qilib, yig'in qilib, o'zligi ya'ni ruler orqasidan ish qilgan bo'lishi mumkin. Caliph degani Ottoman Sultan claimed title of Muslim spiritual leader after 1517. Ya'ni Ottoman sultonlari Osmon sultonasi